guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna get right into this, girls. So I only have my brows done. I'm applying moisturizer. Make sure this is key in your skincare routine day and night for better makeup application. So I'm using the one from Skintansy, which has no harsh chemicals and it's perfect for sensitive skin. Then I'm gonna go in with the POREfessional, and I like to pat this more than drag it on my face. This stick foundation by Wet n Wild has been my go-to, girls. I swear I love this foundation. It lasts throughout the day and I do not feel like a grease ball like the new foundation. I love it for the first hours and then I can't wait to take it off. And I feel like when I'm greasy I break out, so I try to control that. And then I'm using the Covergirl concealer. This also has been my go-to concealer, making sure that my lid is nice and color corrected and just to cover those dark circles. Then I'm using this Avon magic wand. Don't sleep on this, girl. It's so creamy and it's a foundation, but I love it to contour. I have used a foundation which it works really good, but to contour it works amazing. So now when I'm doing makeup, I have to contour my nose. If I don't contour my nose, I feel like I look flat, like I don't have any dimension. Maybe it's because I've been wearing makeup like since I've been on YouTube, so I feel like I always have to contour my nose and just give me a little button nose and seal the little arch or whatever, make it look skinnier. But I love to contour my nose. To set everything, I'm using the Benefit Pressed Powder Foundation on my lids and on the bottom of my eyes. I'm going to bronze all my face, and I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. As you know, I hate pan. I think I have more than this, but I just love using this bronzer, so I'm just applying it all over. And this also acts out as a setting your contour since we did cream. Then I'm using another one from Covergirl, which this gives me more of a tanner. If you guys can see the difference, it gives me more of a all I'm doing right here is applying that pressed powder foundation from Benefit and applying it all over in a circular motion so everything can look nice and flawless, marry everything together so it does not look cakey and it just looks like it's coming from within. So for my eyes, the key to looking younger and fresh is to do less makeup on your eyes and more of like a pastel colors that makes you look brighter and fresh. So I'm using the Sunny Days Trio palette by Fitglow, and I'm also using the Day palette, which I'm going to be using just two shadows from here. This, which just looks like a brownish grayish color, and it's just to bring some dimension to the eyes. I feel like if you would use a darker brown or a black, it would be more nighttime appropriate since it's more smoky, sensual. But if you want to look more fresh, young, wide awake, then use some colors like this. Now I'm going to be using a pink one, which is one of the blushes on there, which has iridescent on it, and this just brings light into my eyes. You can use a pink, peach, gold, something with light that can bring some freshness to your face. Then I'm using this white one and I'm applying it on the tear dots. Again, we want to look younger and fresh, so right there it will look like I'm wide awake and just some light into my eyes. Then I just did a little bit of wing liner, not so dramatic. For the lashes, I'm using the Bomb lashes in PAPARAZZI. I feel like they're really nice and fluffy and really comfortable, and the one or band is really thin. For mascara, I've been using this Lancome mascara, which it helps to separate the lashes and makes them look really nice and long, and they don't look clumpy at all. And for my blush, I'm using this Elate blush in Brave and applying it on the apples of my cheeks and bringing it upwards. Make sure to bring it upwards because if you bring it downwards, it will make your face look droopy. Revlon High Shined in a birthday suit, which is a gorgeous nude with a hint of pink, which I think will look good on anyone. So there you guys have the makeup look. I hope you guys love this look. This was first a Jessica Alba inspired makeup look, but when I was just doing my makeup, I'm like, hey, this is how I do my makeup to make myself look nice, fresh, and young. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Happy Valentine's.